development. On the other hand, Manila Water reported income before tax of 8.6 billion, while the LGUs they serve, Pasig, earned 6.9 billion, Taguig 5.5 billion, and Antipolo 1.4 billion. While earning so much already, Mr. President, these concessionaires are still allowed to shift the burden of their expenses to their consumers. This is another disturbing truth. Ang isa po pong nakakalungkot, pag nawalan pala ho ng tubig, Mr. President, under the concession agreement, section 9.2.32, ay kailangan pa hong maghintay na mahigit 24 hours bago sila rumisponde. Doon sa isa pong provision, Mr. President, meron po nakalagay doon, kung gusto nilang magtaas ng rates within a period of 30 days, kahit hindi po sumagot ang regulatory office, ay yung po pala ay deemed approved, yung rates adjustment limit. Talaga po itong nakakasakal, Mr. President, doon po sa isang provision pa. Nakalagay po, Mr. President, na kung sila ay malulugi, lahat po ito ay babayaran ng ating pamahalaan. Ang isa pa hong nakakalungkot, at mamadaliin ko na po ito, Mr. President, pangako ko po kay Senator Ontiveros, lalo pang nahihirapan si Juan dahil wala po talaga tayong kalaban-laban sa kontrata. Sa Section 12.5, there is a waiver of the right to appeal. It curtails the right of the government to avail of the proper remedies against an adverse judgment. It is the height of lunacy that a mere contractual stipulation could render the Republic defenseless against unfair and exploitative agreements. Hindi po pwedeng, sang-ayon po sa Section 15.1 ng General Conditions ng Concession Agreement, hindi po pwedeng mag-imbestiga kahit anong ahensya, kahit anong komite. Nakalagay po doon para imbestigahan ang ginagawa nila sa concessionar agreement. Mali po siguro ito, Mr. President, dahil pagbabawalan maging ang Senado na mag-imbestiga. Ang Senado po ay may oversight powers at kasama po sa kapangyarihan sa ilalim ng ating saligang batas ang mag-imbestiga.